Hello grade 5. The second lesson is about adverbs. So welcome back to our virtual classroom. Hopefully, at the end of this video, you will be able to identify adverbs and the verbs they describe. You will also be able to use adverbs in writing and speaking. And finally, you will be able to differentiate between the different types of adverbs. What's the purpose of using adverbs? Adverbs will sweetly add interest to your writing and make it more interesting, just like a cupcake will make your day more exciting. Some adverbs are adverbs of frequency, and others are adverbs of intensity. Adverbs of frequency tell how often something happens, while adverbs of intensity give information about how much. Adverbs of intensity can describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. You have to ask yourself two questions. Which word is the verb? And then you have to ask yourself which word tells how often or how much to be able to find the adverbs. Let's take a look at these three examples. I often forget to bring my lunch to school. If we have to find the verb is forget. The word that is describing the verb is often, so often is the adverb. Is it an adverb of frequency or an adverb of intensity? You're right. It's an adverb of frequency because it's showing me how frequent you forget to bring the lunch. You forget it often. Next example. I am almost finished with my homework. Finished is the verb here and almost is the adverb. Is it an adverb of frequency or an adverb of intensity? Yes, it's an adverb of intensity here. It doesn't show me how often I finish my homework, how much you finished, or how much you're done. Third example, the soup is too hot. Too is the adverb. Do you think it's showing me how frequently the soup is hot? Or how hot is the soup? How much hot is it? You're right, it's an adverb of intensity. It's showing me how hot it is. Here are adverbs of frequency. If you do an action all the time, 100% of the time, you have to use the adverb always. 90% of the time you use usually, 80% frequently, 70% often, 50% sometimes, 30% occasionally, 10% seldom, 5% rarely, and 0% never. Alright, adverbs can be found in different parts of sentences. They can be found sometimes in the beginning, sometimes in the middle, and sometimes in the end too. Take a look. Option 1. Andrew sometimes arrives late. So, we have sometimes and we have late. We have the middle and we have the end. Option 2. Christopher often studies alone. Again, here we can find it in the middle and we can find it in the end. Option 3. Since he studies hard, he usually performs brilliantly. You can see how adverbs can be present in different parts of the sentence. Time for a scavenger hunt. Ready? Hunt as many adverbs as possible. At a first glance, I can see quite, awkwardly, beautifully, everywhere, purposely, daily, wishfully, and I'll leave the rest to you. You got this, so stay safe. Until next time.